We will start. Okay, so let's start. Hi, and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope that you are good, guys. Hope that you catch some really nice moves since last week. Okay, previous week was really nice, and if you were watching our previous weekly market outlook, you should catch some moves. Okay, there was a plenty of setups. Okay, and yeah, like I said, if you were following us and check those setups, you should be making money. Okay, so let's start. Let me just inform you that we are also having since Monday a Telegram group for you guys. So I want to help you with some setups. Okay, I'm posting there updates also like on TradingView, and if you joined it, you can see that I posted there pound cat and euro cut analysis. Okay, I also shown you on Friday when is the time to join. Okay, here I was sending you those impulses which you have seen, and then I shown you the correction which you can watch, and you will be able to sell it on strong breakout, and if you did, you should be into a profit. Okay, as you can see, there was a correction in the making also there, and boom, there it goes. Okay, if you were watching or joining those setups, you should catch two nice trades. Okay, so you should have pound cat and euro cat, which are nice trades. Okay, and if you watch also our trading view, there are the same trading ideas. Okay, I posted that for you. Okay, this is the setup from the Telegram, and also down there you will find an updated chart. Okay, if we will scroll down, you can see I have posted you in a right time, so you will be able to join it, and there it goes. Okay, the move is there, and you should be protected with a break even. Okay, and there's one more EuroCAD. EuroCAD is being also updated. Okay, let me talk about that setup a little bit. Okay, we didn't lose any money over there. Okay, I am the seller from there, and also there was the one more sell which I closed on break even with zero, and there's one more sell which is being added from the top. Okay, so what happened there? There was a nice sell correction. Okay, the price has just pushed higher, it slightly changed the pattern, and then it started to push lower. So what we will do in the upcoming week, we will just wait for another correction, then we will add, and that will be our trade for the upcoming week. But I will explain you later because I will go step by step through all those currencies and will show you how to trade. Okay, so make sure that you are following us on TradingView and also subscribe us on YouTube so you will get all those ideas. Okay, and it's good if you will join us on Telegram. On Telegram there is this is also good because you will be notified in the right time. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with DXY index. This is the dollar index. So what I do anticipate, okay, if you were watching our previous weekly market outlook, I'm still waiting that the USD index will start to push higher. Okay, so if you watch on higher time frame, you can see that we just started to push higher. Okay, so what it can do, the price can stop here. So that will be a nice buy. Okay, and soon as the price will take previous high, you have to be protected with break even trades. Why? Because the price can just go down, make new lower low, and then it will continue to the upside, break that top, and then from there it will go down. So why that? If we will see that their move will come over there, the upside move will come over there, you will see a Euro USD which will push to the downside. Okay, not only that, there are the many others, but I will show you step by step. So what are our expectations? Lower time frame correction, pushing up. If the price will stop around previous top, then you can anticipate a wave to the downside, which will break only that bottom, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so keep your eyes on. You will have to be really fast with taking those shots on Euro USD. Okay, so let's go and check that Euro USD how it plays out. Okay, we are still into that correction, and I'm anticipating that the wave will go and tag the previous bottom. Okay, it will also make new lower low actually. Okay, so how you can trade? Okay, you will wait for those corrections on lower time frame there. Okay, you will take all those trades to the downside, but do not take sells when you will be close at a previous bottom. Okay, that will just carry risk, and you should not be a selling down there. Okay, you have to start focusing on a buy. Okay, many traders are into that sell. Okay, I know that my traders, some of them traded from that spot. Okay, they are already into that trade and they are protected with a break even, so that's good. So for you who are not in yet, wait for the small correction, keep adding. Be careful, do not add your cells around that bottom. Okay, again, as I shown you on DXY, on dollar index, I shown you that there is this, okay, the move is like that on DXY. Okay, price is somewhere there now. And if you remember what I shown you on the DXY, on the DXY, there's a small move which can push up and then it will go down, break that bottom, and then it will start to push higher. Okay, so same scenario is over there. Okay, you will wait for the correction. When the price will go tag that bottom, it can easily reverse, go tag that high, and then it will continue to downside. Okay, so as you can see, that those pictures are the same on the USD and your USD. Okay, just there's the buy and there's the sell. Okay, so you can watch, but do not add a sells around previous bottom. Okay, if the price will push lower, just skip it. Okay, wait if the price will make a correction after, when the bottom will be broken. If the price will give you a correction, you can add. Okay, if not, you will just wait the price to take previous bottom and then you will start to push higher. Okay, so I will not adding cells if I will not see any bigger correction on spot here or here. I will not be interested if the correction will appear on previous bottom. Okay, so let's move forward. USDN. So what we are anticipating over there, I'm still anticipating a wave which will go and tag that bottom. Okay, those are my expectations and I'm still a seller. Okay, my sell is being open over there and I am still holding and I will still hold it. Okay, I will hold it until I will see there any reactions for a buy, but for now there are no reactions for the buy. What the price can did, it can go tag that high and from there it can go tag that bottom, then it will continue to the upside. So what you can do from that spot, you cannot sell, and I do not recommend you that you will take any sells because you are selling on the bad spot. If the price will push higher, you can take that sell. Okay, but from here I do not recommend you to take that sell. You are jumping into the market on the really bad spot and your risk to reward ratio is really bad on that spot. Okay, so let's wait how it will go. If it will go up, give your price action over there, you can take the trade to the downside. Okay, if not, if it will just break to the downside, take that bottom, then you will just simply start watching for your buy setup. Okay, give you some price action over there, then you will start for to watch for a buy setup. Okay, if not, then just skip it. Your cat. Okay, like I shown you, I had their trades. Okay, and still have one more, and you will be able to edit if you're following us on Telegram. Okay, I send you that correction on Telegram, so if you will be able to manage it, you will be you will be able to get in from those spots. Okay, and now you should be on a break even. I do not recommend that you will be jumping into those cells from here. again there is a really bad spot, but if the price will give you a bigger correction, then you can easily take that trade to the downside. Okay, price will go tag that bottom, so you will just simply and patiently watch for the correction, something like that over there. Okay, you don't know where exactly it will appear, but I do anticipate it will appear soon. Okay, so if that will appear, you can jump into the sell. Without that correction, you cannot get into the trade. Okay, so if I will, okay, those are your expectations. I will draw it so that you can understand better. Okay, this is the correction which will be anticipate, and that will be your target. Okay, but without having that correction, you will just ignore it. Okay, pound cat. Okay, that one was a really nice setup also. Okay, for those who are trading with small stop losses, they were probably taken out. I didn't. Okay, I have a sell from here and I'm seller from here. Okay, I have two selling spots again because I was anticipating this will go down, and I still know that this it will go down. Problem was only there. Okay, some traders were panicking why that chart it's still pushing to the upside. Okay, but the bigger picture it's still to the downside, so you should not be worrying about that push to the upside. Okay, so if you were patient enough, you seen that reaction over there and you will be able to join it. Okay, so how you will be trading now, you will just simply wait for the correction. Okay, and you will keep adding, but you will stop adding around that bottom and that bottom. Okay, so this is the spot where you should not be selling anymore. Okay, if you will get the correction over there, yes, you can take that sell. Okay, I will show you there. Okay, we can make a correction forming really nice 50-minute correction. Okay, it can go just a little bit higher. Okay, it can go just a bit higher, and then it will push to the downside. Okay, so those are really nice correction. I've sent you that on Telegram. Okay, and if you are able to manage it, you will be able to get into the trade from that place. Okay, because I send you that setup in a right time. So what you will do now, you will wait for the break of that correction. Okay, but what I expect the price will go a little bit higher. Okay, give you something like that, and from there you can be a seller, or you can just simply drag a trend line over there. Okay, and on the strong break you can just enter the trade. Okay, you can jump into the sell from that bottom. Okay, just keep your eyes, but I do not like to jumping into those trades. Okay, I'm in from the top and I will just hold it. I don't need to add more. For you, just wait for the bigger correction and get in. Okay, that trade will not go really far. Okay, it will go at least to tag previous bottom or that bottom. Okay, there are only two possible waves which can appear over there. Okay, that scenario is still just because of the pound. Okay, the Brexit it's still not over and it's being delayed till the December. So this is why we are having that move, and this is why I knew that this scenario cannot push higher. This it will just go down. It cannot continue to the upside. Okay, like I said in the previous weekly market outlook, and yeah, like I said, there it will be a correction and the price will keep pushing lower. Okay, so let's move forward. Gold. Okay, if you were with us on previous weekly market outlook, you will be able to trade it from here. Okay, I told you that you will wait for that correction. So what I have told you also that we will go break that bottom and then it will continue to the upside. So you should have a nice trade and you should end it up with break even, or if you will be happy, you will take a profit when you will see that the price is not going aggressively through that bottom top, sorry. Okay, so what you will do now, you will again wait for the buy setup. Okay, that pair it will go up. Okay, I still see that this wave is coming over there. Okay, so I'm not seller yet. I will just patiently wait for my sell to come. Okay, so how I will do, let me show you. I will wait, the price will go higher, and then, oh sorry, come on. Okay, I will wait that the price will go higher, and then from all those highs I will be a seller. Okay, otherwise I'm not interested into that sell, because the price can just go tag that bottom and then it will go up. Okay, so this is the spot where I'm not interested into the sell. So patiently wait that the price will go higher. Okay, watch for the break of that trend line, and yes, from here you will be a seller, but without having a price action you cannot jump into that sell. Okay, silver. Okay, silver has a really nice sell setup. Okay, if you will connect all those bottoms, you will see when you will have a strong break of that trend line, you can get into the trade. Okay, but I don't see. I see that the price will make a correction over there. It will go take that trend line, and then from here you will be able to sell it. Okay, or like I said, wait for the strong break of that trend line. Okay, platinum, nothing at the moment. Stay away. Aussie chief, stay seller. Okay, some of my traders are selling from there, take the break even trade, and they were sellers again, and they also take a break even. Okay, so I didn't see that you are typing something into the chat. Okay, Igor was watching. If we want to join this wave on pound, get your coin breakout entry. Igor, sorry, I cannot. You are my member, but I cannot answer you that question here on the public chat. Okay, I will answer you that on the Slack, which strategy you will use to enter it. Okay, this is only for my members. And if I will tell that here on the public chat, that will not be fair for the others. Okay, Nemanja was also asking us, there is no recommendation, just watch and you will see. Yeah, Nemanja has told you a lot, so let's wait on the Slack and I will inform you into the Slack. Okay, so let's go. What you will do there, you will wait for the make new higher high, and then from here you will watch for the price action. The price will still go to the downside. Okay, so our picture is something like that, and this is the wave which we are focusing on for the in the upcoming week. Okay, this is the small wave. Okay, you will have there a really nice price action, and then you will take the trade to the downside, take off your profit. Don't be optimistic, because that trade will not push to the downside. Okay, I don't see that scenario. Okay, or if you will be into the trade from that highs, you have to be careful around those bottoms, and if the price will be aggressive, just hold it for a little bit. Okay, you can wait something like that wave to appear over there. Okay, if it will be aggressive like that, you can hold it. You don't need to watch around previous bottoms, because it will go lower. Okay, but if the trend will not be that strong like it was there, you just don't need to hold it. You can take off your profit around those bottoms. Okay, USD chief, what do we have there? Okay, we reached the high, so you will just start watching for your price action and you will start selling. Okay, we were there in the previous weekly market outlook. We were there. So what the price did, if you take that breakout, you should end up with a break even trade. Okay, and then we were anticipating a wave to the upside. So now what we will do into the upcoming week, we will just simply wait for the price action to appear over there. Okay, and then we will just keep adding our cells till previous bottom. Okay, so this is the wave which we are anticipating. Okay, and we should stick to the sell on that USD chief. Okay, I think this is a really nice wave and you will be able to manage it to join it in a right time. New Zealand Chief, okay, if you are okay, if you are watching a New Zealand Chief, okay, there is a nice wave coming over there. Okay, as you can see, price is pushing up, and you are watching that the price will give you a really nice price action. Then you should take the trade to the upside. Okay, I didn't take that buy. Okay, like I mentioned in our previous weekly market outlook, I'm not interested in that small wave. Okay, so I will delete it. There is no buy anymore. So what we will do, we will just wait for the price action, and then we will simply take the trade to the downside. Okay, this setup is really nice for the upcoming week and you should be focusing on. Okay, just don't skip it. Okay, it will give you a nice risk to reward ratio. New Zealand USD. Okay, I'm still waiting that the New Zealand USD will go down. So what it could do, it could also push a little bit higher. Okay, then it will go lower and then we will take the trade to the upside. Okay, so for now, what I want, I am anticipating that the price will go tag that bottom, and from there I will watch for the price action. Then I will take my buy setup, okay? Because that wave, it's a really nice wave to the upside, and this is the reason why I'm not focusing on sell. Okay, this is a too small sell, and I don't want to take that small short-term sell. The price is already building a buy, okay? That will probably go higher and then it can still go lower, tag that bottom, and then from those bottoms I will watch for my buy setup. Okay, there is a place or at that price I will watch for the price action. Otherwise I will just skip it. Don't jump into the price from those spots. Okay, it's not worth of risking it, and it's a really bad risk to reward ratio from those spots. Aussie USD, what do you have there? We are having a nice correction which is making over there. Okay, I will delete that. Okay, those are the from previous weekly market outlook. Okay, and if you will watch, we were anticipating all those moves. Okay, so it will be really nice if you will watch our old weekly market outlook, so you will see that we anticipate that move and we trade it. Okay, so what we will do now, you should not be a seller anymore. Okay, you can be a seller when the price will go tag the previous high. Okay, so if the price will go down, just skip it, don't watch it anymore. Okay, if the price will go a higher, give you price action over there, then you can be a seller and take that sell. Okay, this is the nice sell coming which will go and tag those bottoms. Okay, so don't watch for your sell setup. There is no sell setup and you will be risking on a really bad spot. Wait, it will go break that bottom and then it will start to push high. You give your price action over there. Then this is the place where you will watch to take your sells. Okay, from those spots you cannot take the sell. If you're a seller from here, just simply hold it. Okay, there are two spots where you will be able to sell it. If you're in, move on break even because the price can just pushing lower, 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 lower. Okay, so you have a really nice spot and you can easily hold it and watch your account grow. If not, it will just take you out on a break even trade. Then you will just again watch it, re-enter the trade, and then you will go again with your sell. Okay, so let's move forward. Pound USD. Okay, that one was really nice trade, like I shown you. Okay, this is the wave which we're anticipating. If you take it, really nice. Watch how the price will behave around previous bottom. Take off your profit. You have enough. We didn't trade for a long term. Okay, this is the wave which we're anticipating. Probably it will just go tag that bottom, take off your profit, then start watching for your buy setups. Okay, price will go higher. Okay, but that it will be a December move. Okay, with the December we will start watching for our buys. So what you will do, we are not in, I do not recommend you that you will get in, you are on the really bad spot to sell it. Okay, what you can do, you will just watch for the price actions around previous bottom. Okay, let me tag it. Okay, I tagged you a previous bottom, so you will watch to give you some price action, then you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, but without having a price action, do not jump into the buy, because the trend, it can just easily continue to the downside. It will go tag that trend line, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, this is the reason why you will not jump into the buy without having a nice price action. Okay, let's move forward. Pound Aussie, great setup. Okay, I would say you should not be focusing on that buy. Okay, you should not focus on that buy. Why? Because you will miss the sell. Okay, and if you were focusing on sell, you have a nice sell setup. Okay, just hold it. Okay, this is the spot where you have, where you should have your sells. Okay, move on break even and watch the trend, which will go to the downside. Okay, why you should move on the break even? Because the price can reverse from exactly that spot where it is right now. Okay, it can easily reverse, make new high, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, and this is the spot where you should not be adding your sells, because you are selling again on a really bad spot. Okay, that's not the spot for your sell setups. What you can do, wait for the price to go a little bit lower, make your action, and then you will be able to add your sells. Okay, so just be careful. But anyway, we will be anticipating a wave to the downside. Pound chief is still struggling at the top. Okay, if you take that, those sells, okay, move down on break even. I don't like that scenario which is appearing over there. Okay, take off your profit or move on break even and stay away from pound chief. I don't like it, and I don't like the price how it behaves over there, because it can go easily tag that high and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, but that downside, it will not be a big reversal to the downside, it will be just a small wave. Okay, it will be something like that. This is the wave to the upside, will go tag that top, it will go down, tag that bottom, and then just because of the Brexit deal, it will continue to the upside. Okay, but we will see. First, I do not recommend you that you will take that buy, and if you are into the sell, just move on break even. Okay, this is how I will do. Pound yen, it played out really nice. Okay, how we were anticipated, it did exactly like that. So what you will do, you will wait the price to tag the previous bottom, and when it will tag it, you will watch for the price action, and then you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, but be careful, because the price can aggressively go through that bottom and easily can tag that trend line, then it will continue to the upside. Okay, that will give you also a nice pattern. Okay, and this is the buy pattern which will push the price to the upside in December. Okay, so this is the spot where you will have to be careful. New Zealand yen. Okay, that behavior still looks, it will go make new lower low, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, this will not continue to the upside. Okay, that behavior cannot continue to the upside. It will go make new lower low, and then I do anticipate a nice wave to the upside. But without having that sell before, I don't see it can continue from there. It can go make something like that, and then it can continue to the upside, or it can make completely new lower low. But from that place where it is right now, I don't see that it can go really high. Okay, from that place it can only go make new high, then it will go down, and then it will go up. Okay, this is the scenario which I anticipate. So just patiently wait to tag those bottoms, and from those bottoms you will be watching for your buy setups. GFN, what you can do, you cannot do anything. We were anticipating a bounce off. Okay, but as you can see, there is the really strong behavior of the price, so you cannot be a buyer. Okay, stay away and wait for the nice price action to give you that buy. Okay, if you wait, if you will watch on higher time frame, okay, you can watch for something like that, and then it will continue downside. But how it appear over there, I see that it will just make a correction, and then it will continue pushing lower. Okay, it can go make new lower low. So you have to be really careful, and if you are not skilled enough, you should not be joining that trade to the downside. Pound New Zealand, I told you to not focus on that move also. You should be focusing on the sell. You have a sell, there was another sell. You have two sell setups. So what you will do now, stay aware that that's not a spot to be a seller. Okay. So you will wait how it will appear. If it will give you a price action, take the trade to the upside. Okay. It will go at least take that high so that it will be your price action, or if you don't know how to trade the price action, wait on lower time frame to give you those correction. You can take those trades. Be careful around that previous stop, do not add it. Okay, you can only be a buyer if you will get those buy setups before hitting the previous stop. Okay, so this is how you can trade. Okay, it can go just a little bit lower. Okay, it can do something like that, and then it will continue. If you will connect those previous bottom, maybe we can see a nice reversal spot. Yep, it can go and actually tag that trend line. Okay, so you can wait. I will show you. If you are not a seller, you will just wait to tag that trend line, then you will wait for the buy. Okay, so what you can do, you cannot do anything, you can simply just watch it. And then when it will hit the trend line, you will watch for the price action and take the trade to the upside. I don't see that there is the sell coming, not yet. Okay, let me check a daily time frame. Okay, I don't see a sell. I see something like that. It will make new high, and then it will reverse to the downside. Or what you can do, or how you will trade it, you will wait for the bigger correction. Okay, if you will have that big correction, you can take the trade to the downside, but be careful when the price will hit the trend line. Okay, if you'll take that sell, just move it on the time and take off your profit around that trend line, because it will be, if it will be aggressive over there, you will have a nice wave to the downside. Okay, but without having that correction, don't go for a sell. Okay, it can easily start pushing higher. Just wait. Okay, something like that. If you will have something like that, take the trade, move on break even, and watch the behavior around the trend line. If there it will be a aggressive move, you can simply just hold it. Okay, so you will know. If not, you will wait for price action or wait for the continuation, then you will just keep adding your trades to the upside. Okay, we will go tag that high. Here New Zealand, what do we have there? Let me take a look on higher time frame. There's the price pushing lower. Okay, for those who are not in. Okay, if you are not in, what you can do, you will wait for the tag of that bottom. Then okay, I will draw. I will show you why I have a trend line here, because in the previous weekly market outlook I was showing you that deep pullback, which will be able to take previous stops. Okay, so for now what you will do, you will wait for something like that. Okay, you cannot sell from that, you cannot sell from that, from that. Okay, you cannot sell. You have to wait. If you are not into the sell already, you will wait, price go tag that bottom, and then it will continue to the upside. And when it will give you a price action over there, you will be able to take that trade to the downside. Okay, so watch it, don't take the buy, and focus on the sell. Okay, that it will be probably in the middle of the week. It could appear somewhere on the Wednesday. Okay, oops, sorry, on the Wednesday the price can come there, give you some price action, then you will be able to take the trade to the downside. Until then, just watch it. This is the really bad spot to be a seller. Stay away from it. If you're not into those sales from here, 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 just stay away. Other than think stay away. We will go at least tag that high and then we will go down. Okay, but without that kind of behavior, you will not watching for yourselves. Okay, so how we will trade? Let me move that trend line. Okay, we were waiting for the deep correction, but we didn't get it, so that means we didn't take the trade to the downside. So we are still waiting for that correction to add our sells. New Zealand cat, what do you have there? The price, it will go and push lower, lower, lower. Okay, it can even go. Oh, I have a lot of arrows over there which will confuse you. Okay, so I will just erase them. Okay, so what you will do, you will wait for the price action, something like that, then you will take the trade to the downside. Okay, so you will have to be careful around those bottoms because the price can reverse to the upside. Okay, let me see once again. Okay, but if you'll take that sell, it is worth to move it on break even and just watch. It can easily go tag that bottom, and I'm 90% sure that we will see a tag of a previous bottom. So if you will catch a sell setup, just take the trade to the downside, and I'd recommend that you will take off your profit around previous bottom. It's not That's not a long wave which will come over there. Okay, so let's me once again check a daily time frame. Nope, that will not continue to that side. That will just probably make new lower low, and then it will start to push higher, give you a bigger correction, then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so this is the wave which you will be anticipating. That small daily wave. Okay, so keep your eyes on. Here again, what do we have there? Okay, there's the something in the making. Okay, so what we will do, we will just wait for the price action to strongly break that trend line. It can go easily tag that bottom, but I don't see it will go a bit higher, give you completely new higher high, and then it will start to reverse. So what you will do, you will just wait, and from there around previous bottom, you will be searching for your price action. Okay, so let me just tag it. Okay, price can go tag that bottom, give you a price action over there, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so this is the behavior which can appear over there. It will go tag it, go up and then down, so you will know how to trade it. ASEAN, okay, there is the nice setup in the making. Just keep your eyes on a break of that, on a strong break of that trend line. Okay, it will just push higher. Okay, I do anticipate a wave to the upside. Okay, but you have to be careful around previous bottom. Why? Because it can just break it, give you a pattern, something like that, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so this is the spot where you should not be a buyer. Okay, stay away from that spot if you want to be a buyer from those highs. You should be into the buy from a price earlier. Okay, here GBP, I'm still anticipating that wave. It will go tag that high and then it will continue to the downside. So what I will do, I will not watch for my sell setups until I don't see a price which will go tag that high, and from that high I will be watching for the price action. Otherwise I will stay away from it. Here chief, what it did, I think it go and just tag that bottom, okay, which I marked for you, so you will know how far it will go, and it will tag exactly as I told you. So what you will do now, you cannot do anything, you will just watch to give you something like that. Okay, you need a correction before taking the trade to the upside, and you should not be a buyer or not a seller from that spot. Okay, that's the spot where you should not be a buyer. Okay, you will wait for the correction. When you will have that kind of correction, you'll take the trade to the upside. Be careful when the price will break that top. You should move on break even or take off your profit. Okay, this is the how you will trade, or wait for the strong candles which will come over there, make a correction, and then take the trade to the downside. Okay, so this is how you can trade. But I see that there is the buy coming over there, but not yet. You will have to wait probably till Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe even Friday. You will see. Okay, you don't want to see there are strong candles which will appear over there. Euro Aussie. Okay, I am anticipated a wave to the downside. Okay, so you should be watching for your sell setups. Okay, if you have on lower time frame a sell setup, take those sells. Be careful around previous bottom. Okay, when the price will hit the previous bottom, it can easily reverse to the upside. So just keep your eyes on your sell setup. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame, which can just push lower, give you a correction, and this is the correction where you will be focusing on your sell. I don't see that there is the buy coming over there, or if it will stop around those bottoms, then I will anticipating at that wave. But without stopping around those bottoms, I will not be a buyer. But there really low possibility that there it will be a buy. Okay, there it will be a strong sell which will come over there. So you will focusing on your sell setups. Cat chief, watch for your sell setup. If you're not into the sell already, wait for the price action on lower time frame, take the trade to the downside. Okay, so you will focus on your sell setups for upcoming week. Okay, this is the at least that move, it's your target. Break that bottom, then you will have to decide. Okay, so you will watch when the price will break previous bottom, you will watch the price behavior. Okay, so just watch for sell setups in the upcoming week. Bitcoin, okay, in Bitcoin I have told you that you can watch for the strong break of that trend line. Okay, if you watch a previous weekly market outlook, you will see I told you that you can watch for the break of that trend line, but it didn't. The pattern has slightly changed. So what does this mean? That means that the Bitcoin will go lower as we were anticipating. Okay, so what we'll do, we wait for the correction, then the price will go lower. It will go break that bottom. Okay, and then from there you will be a buyer. Okay, so if you will watch on daily time frame, you will get something like that. Okay, price it will give you correction, correction, correction. It will go break that bottom, and then from there you will start watching for a buy. So if you would like to trade it, wait for the nice correction. Okay, wait for something like that. Okay, take the trade to the downside. Okay, so you have to be a seller over there on the Bitcoin for the end of this year. Okay, you will just wait for the bigger correction. It is already in the making. Okay, you will wait something like that. Let me show you. It will go break that up, but I see that the price will go tag the trend line and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, this is the wave which you will be anticipating. It will go a bit lower. Oh, come on. Tag the trend line and then it will go lower. Okay, so this is your wave. It will go around 200, 2700. Okay, so this is the wave. Okay, you will be able to adding those cells. Okay, so that's all. I hope that you are watching our outlooks. Okay, so if you're watching, then you are probably into the profit and a really nice profit. Okay, and you guys, if you are interested to join us, or if you're looking for any free materials, okay, I have posted there on the website many free stuffs, okay, which can be helpful for you. Okay, let me just load it. Okay, here under the wave analysis, you'll have a really nice material which you will have to simply just watch it. Okay. And if you are interested to join us, you are welcome. You will just go under the membership and choose which level is for you. And yes, then you will be with us. And let me know. Let me just tell you that we are having on the until oh, sorry, on 15th of December we will start a course. Okay, so all group training members will have a live sessions with me. Okay, that it will be probably 10 days. We'll go through everything, and at the end of the course we'll also have a practicing, which when I will give to some of students a screen share, and they will also sharing their screens, and I will comment their setups and their knowledge. Okay, so you are welcome. This is the really nice thing. If you are interested to join before 15th of December, and yeah, okay, so hope that you are subscribing us on YouTube, and see you on next Sunday on Free Weekly Market Outlook. So may the profit be with you. Take care. Bye bye, Todas.